Well, hello. It is Digital Granny here again. We're going to go step by step on how to make 10K online. And I love this. Listen, if you just understand the opportunity that you're being presented right now, it can change your life. And I am not exaggerating. I have gone from dashing to actually being at home with my kids and we're making money online. Like I am building a success. It blows my mind to this day that you can make money like this from your home as a mom, just as like no degree, no experience, no fancy equipment. I love what I do. I can actually create all my videos from my phone. But let's get into this because I want to explain this and walk this through with you, okay? So, let me start and I'm just going to go over this with you. So, here's the step-by-step game plan to make 10K online. Now, maybe I should make me a little bit smaller. So, the three-step process, I love this. You need to choose the right business model. Okay, there's so many different options out there. Now, we have a high ticket in demand product. It's actually programs and we have automation. So, that's the first thing. You need to make sure you're choosing the right business model because there's so many things out there to do. And I understand it can be overwhelming and you're like, what do I do? I'm just looking for a way to actually make money online, but not have it take up a lot of time. I don't want to be spending 40 hours a week. Okay. I just don't. So, the second thing is use a proven system. The legacy program, what I promote, is actually a proven to work system. I love it. Number three is to drive traffic with attraction marketing. So instead of paying for ads like a normal, typical business would, we actually use what is at our disposal: social media. I love it. I love that we can create videos. What you would do is creating content, faceless if you want to do faceless, show up if you want to do your face. The connection is going to be quicker with showing up and showing your face, but you can still make money online faceless. Okay. It's just a different method. So we use social media. We also post free ads. That's basically taking like 3 sentences, 4 sentences, making it short. You get examples of everything in our program. So you don't have to know how to make the videos. You don't have to know how to post the ads. Everything is going to be taught to you. This is a business in a box. It doesn't get any better than what this is. Like, I love it. It literally is saving my kids and I. So that's the social media and the posting of the free ads. Okay. Now, where does the 10K part come in? Okay, let's go. I'll show you my number one selling program. Okay. You don't see a reflection there. It's called the Legacy. That is 9. When you have 12 customers of the Legacy, that's 10. There's the 10K right there. Would that do anything for you and your family? Because that is our number one selling program. Yes, our number one. I love it. It changed how we live. It changes people's ability to get things done in life, because when you're able to see 900 come in, man, that can take care of a house payment, depending on, a house payment, a car payment. What would you do with that? That's where the 10K comes from. Now, why the Legacy Builders plan makes this easy. So you have to understand, high ticket in demand programs, these are digital programs. It means you don't have to have a whole bunch of sales. Like if I had this marker and I was like, I got to make $900, I would need 900 customers if I was selling it for $1, right? That is a lot of customers. So with a program that's in demand that has a higher price ticket, it's less customers, less work, because we have automations. I'll get to automations in a minute. So these teach you high income earning skills called digital marketing skills. So what you're going to learn in the program is actually some of those skills, marketing skills. In the programs, you can also learn how to make your own digital product, your own digital program, a course, a community. There are so many different things you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to do affiliate marketing the smart way. If you don't want to learn any of that extra stuff, you don't have to. You can turn around, use what is called master resale rights, and then just promote these programs. It's an amazing online business. I love what I get to do. So mentorship and community. It's awesome because you're making 100% profit off of programs that you didn't create if you're going to do this as a business, as a beginner. Now, you're not in this alone. As you can see, I've written down here, you have access to a thriving, active online community of other business owners. You get mentoring by a multimillionaire in the legacy if you choose to purchase the legacy. If you choose any of the other one, you are mentored by six-figure income earners. I as well even started my own community that I learned that I could do from this program. So I have this community and you can get in there and be mentored by me every single week. In addition, you get access to some other really cool meetings that are going to help you excel in your video creation. I don't want to go into details, but you have more than what this blueprint actually provides, because you'll have me and everything that I provide on top of it. So automations, this program gives us automations. We get a funnel built for us. We get an automated system built for us. This is how you can create a passive income. So we do the 2-hour income earning activities, put aside an hour for learning, but you take those hours and you're not having to work as much. Okay. So instead of that 40-hour grind, 9 to 5 grind, we're actually working smarter and not harder and less. Okay. So 2 hours of doing the income earning activities, put aside an hour for learning. Sometimes I could be in a legacy meeting for like 2 hours if I wanted to, because she kind of stays and hangs out and answers questions. So it's really up to you how much you want to tune into that, but I would encourage anybody to be in the mentoring. Okay. This complements our 2-hour workday. You should put aside, I just said that you should put aside an hour for learning. Are you tired of guessing and just want a clear plan? So I want you to imagine following a step-by-step blueprint and knowing exactly what to do next. This is what I needed. I just needed a plan. I need something that worked, that was actually proven to work. And all I had to do was apply myself and learn, and then start learning and earning. And that's exactly what I've done in this. So here's exactly what you'll get with the Legacy Builders program. You're going to get a complete business in a box. You're going to learn how to master a 2-hour workday. You're going to get an automated system and done for you sales funnel, which is awesome. Didn't even know what those were. 4 digital programs if you choose the legacy. There are 4 programs. You can choose any of them. Okay. If you come in on there's 1, 3, and 6, 1, 3, 6, and 9, 4 different ones, 100, 300, 609. If you choose the 6, then you would have 6, 3, and 1. Those are hundreds. That website, your website, would have all 3 programs to offer somebody else. If you come in on the legacy, then you would be able to promote the 9, the 6, the 3, and the 1. And those are the amounts that you would actually be able to receive, because when you're promoting those programs, I just want to slide this in there. Our number 1 selling program is the 9, because people want to be able to see that 9 hit their bank account, right? Who wouldn't? So, and that was my first 5 sales, actually, was the 9. What else did I want? If you want to see what's actually in the programs, like the details, when you go to grannysgettingpaid.com, you put your email. That's the automated system. So you will get a video pop up from the founder. She's going to answer 90% of your questions. Click on the button below. It will take you to the programs, and you'll be able to read for yourself what's in them. As a beginner, I don't want my beginners to be overwhelmed. So if you're somebody who's a little bit more interested in the how to make a program, make a course, make a community, I don't want to do that to my beginners because they might just want to use the master resale rights, turn around and promote the programs like I do on social media. So these are just options. Okay. Also, you get access to my private community for support as well as the main community. Okay. So you get access to both. If you'd like to get started, or if you have questions about this that I have not answered, please just send me an email. I will gladly answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. I always like to hear where everybody comes from. It's something cool. I'm a Canuck. I live in Texas, but I don't know. I like to hear where people are watching from. So thank you so much again. God bless. Till next time. Have a good night.